Good morning, friends. Good evening, friends. So, I hope you all are good. So, today I came with another video. So, as you know, we having a electric scooty. Almost, it's 8 month or 9 months is going on. So this I am using this scooty flawlessly, and today I am again trying to do some maintenance for my batteries. So I'm opening this screw. This having four screw. So with open the four screw, I can open this lid, and I can get access the batteries. So it's a 60 volt, lead acid battery is there. So five number of batteries are there, and these are sealed batteries. So you can say or gel batteries. So if it is liquid lead acid battery, so there is a maintenance every 2 weekly or monthly once we have to top up water. But in sealed lead acid battery you cannot do that. So there is almost, you can say, zero maintenance. But last few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, I am seeing that I am getting less range, or you can say my batteries are getting flat, little bit quicker than the other times. So today I am trying to do a maintenance. I have read some articles or something about the maintenance of sealed lead acid batteries. So I have to open up the cover now. There is another too much dust, little bit. First open it, clean it, and there is a, you can see, red, sky blue, or whatever, it's green color battery securing rod is there. So I have to open up that. So let's open that. So before that, I am take out one terminal to secure it. Yeah. So I have read about the sealed lead acid battery maintenance, that maybe 2 months or 6 months interval we can do some equalization. So as you may not, you friends may know or may not know, that every lead acid battery is 12 volt lead acid battery is having 6 cells, and every cells having 2 volt. Okay. So that makes the 12 volt battery. So if if these cells get disbalanced, which is basically normally happened at multiple time charging discharging cycles, it's happened. It's very normal. And during and after disbalance these cells, we cannot get the desired output from these batteries, because as we are these batteries are connected in series to make the 60 volts. So if one battery voltage getting below 10 volt or something like that, so other battery performance or other batteries performance also getting will get affected very soon. Too much dust, as you know, it's a very cost effective, or you can say low cost electric scooty. So in the lower person there is no cover, nothing. It's totally open. So it's dust gets here very easily. So anyway, so now I'm taking out the batteries. It's a little bit heavy also. So one came out, now the second, and now the third. So I'm also planning for that is basically some leather, one piece of leather. I don't mean, so some plastic kind of. What will do that? I don't know. It's there. They have kept it. So that the other two batteries, I so total 5 batteries are there. So with one battery, or two batteries, is a little bit, which is basically normal to disbalance the cells. So we are not going to get our desired, you can say, output, or average or performance from the battery. So we can do some equalization for these batteries, 6 months or maybe 7 months. It's totally depend your use and anything. So I have a plan to do that. So that is the reason I am opening I am doing this thing. So all four batteries are came out, only one is left. So that is also came out definitely. Yeah. So too much dust, let little bit clean this area. Yeah, I don't know. I even next time also I have to do the same because the lower portion is totally opened, and from there the dust will come easily here. So I don't know about very high costing or many little bit. You can see too much dust. My camera also covering. So these are the dust. Too much. Even in service center they did not clean this thing. I have gone service centers one or two times, but they just do some outside work only, not inside. They will do nothing. Anyway, keep that seat cover there. And now little bit, uh, first I'll do the dusting of these batteries, because if it will be with dust, that will not good for the work. And even the battery is a little bit clean and dust free, that will also give us to little bit more, you can mental boost, or you can say, it's good to work with good things, not the dirty things, right? So first we need to remove all or maximum the dots. I cannot remove all the dots, but yes, maximum dots I can remove, right? So just I'm using one brush and cloth, so to take out or all the side and lower side. These batteries are heavy, and each battery having 28 ampere. So I am going to connect all this battery in parallel. So almost we will get 140 ampere and 12 volts. So now you can see all the positive I kept in one side and negatives are one side. So now I'm cutting some wires to create some battery connecting lugs. So I will connect. So these are the wires were with me, kept with me. So these wires I have used for balancing, for one active balancer, because I have another 48-volt battery also, lithium ferrophosphate. So for balancing purpose I have used these wires and active balancer. But this right now that I'm not using that active balancer, so I take out those wire. Another set of wire also there, you can see. So I'm using this one. So now I will connect all the positive terminals one side of this battery bank, and all the negative side uh, with the battery banks connect together. So this will make a giant battery, you can say, uh, 12 volt 140 ampere precisely, right? And then I will use I had one solar charge controller from Victron, that is very soon I will show you. So in the Victron solar charge controller, there is a setting for lead acid battery. We can do some equalization, so I'll use that. And definitely I will not you connect this battery bank with solar panels. Rather than that, I will use the EV charger, which yes, yeah, from my EV charger, it is producing, the output voltage is 70 volt DC. So that 70 volt I will put output 70 volt output from my DC charger, I will give as input of that solar charge controller. So and that solar charge controller, think that is a solar or PV voltage, output voltage, and it will take it and then that voltage it will convert to the 12 volt or sequential, similar type of voltage, and the current will use to further charge, equalization, all those things, right? So on site I have done, you can see, but anyway, I have to connect, or now I am preparing for the negative portion of this battery. So I need 5 hours again to connect all the 5 batteries, 5 negative terminals, definitely. Now you can see, and now after that I am, preparing some alligator clip, one for positive side, one for negative side. To I am using alligator clip because first of all it is easy to hold those 5 wires together through the alligator clip, and this is for the positive, and from this alligator clip easily I can, pass through 8 or 9 amperes without any, severe problems. So because already all the batteries are charged up before doing this thing with the charge controller, means my electric scooty charge controller, and after that only I am doing this equalization. So I don't think so it's going to, carry huge current, so no worry. So this is the negative point for the negative terminal, it is done. Now you can see, this is the output. So I have connected the controller. So this is, that was the, charger for the EV, and now I am taking the little bit first measure the output current. So I have seen that is basically the 72.7 or 4 volt. Yeah, it is sufficient. So now I'm, the positive, negative is the negative, positive is positive. Now it's this MPPT, as I told, 75 volt, 10 amps it can maximum out. Now I am inside my charge controller, and I will see it's detecting the voltage, that EV chargers voltage. My battery bank's voltage is basically 13.21. Yes, it's detected the voltage 72.65 volt. Now I am drawing 50 watt, 49 watt, and batteries are basically in absorption mode, and 3.1 ampere is gone, going inside the battery. And let's, little bit measure the voltage. So yeah, 13.9, 13.9 one end, other end 13.9. So very good. Yeah, 14, 14. So it is very going to, because already all the batteries are charged, so it will not take long. Okay, you can see all the batteries are connected with the alligator plate with the solar charge controller from Victron. It's 75 volt solar and 10 amps out, 12 volt. Yeah, it's ready. Previously I had built that thing. Okay, now all the batteries are well connected, and if you select my solar charger, it will show, you know batteries are in equalization mode. See, it's showing equalization. So equalize, that's mean batteries are in equalization mode. So equalization is happening, and in equalization basically what will happen, the solar charge controller will increase the voltage to make equals all the cell voltages, right? So that will take some time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour. So according to the time, I have set the time. So these are the settings I am using for that. You can copy this setting also if you having any solar charge controller like me, Victron. So in Victron solar charge controller, it is very easy to do. we need to select according to our need, and then all the things will be taken care by the solar charge controller. We don't have to do anything. Okay, it's only 15 watts is going in, and battery bank voltage almost 14.54 voltage. So it's almost 2 hours gone, and equalization almost done. So now all the battery voltage, you can see, came down to 13.3. So after 2, what will happen? The charge controllers go to flat float mode, and it will keep just the same 13.4 or something, some voltage it will give. So now I am disassembling the battery, because now I have to, the equalization has been done with these batteries. So I will now connect these batteries to my EV again. It has to go there. In my future plan, I had a plan that I will, after little bit, almost 3000, 3000 kilometer I have gone with this battery. Very soon I had a plan that maybe after more than another 3000 I will switch from lead acid to lithium battery. But right now I'm not thinking, not in the mood to going that, because these batteries are still in good condition, right? So, and for every day I need only 50 or maybe 40 kilometers from this, so is and what I am easily getting, right? So I will use little bit some thing to little give little bit sponge, or little bit softness beside the below of the battery. But no, this is too much height, so I have to take it out. I will give something else. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, so these two batteries are here, they're good to go. Now first I will connect the negative terminal of the battery as it was connected. So one done. Now the positive terminal, uh, I will open and I will fix the connector where, and then I will place the battery. Then so it was connected in series, so again I will make that series. It very easy. Anyone, even anyone can do that. It's not very big deal to do that. Okay, you also can do that very easily in your home. Just before doing that, first let see the things carefully, and if possible take a picture. That is the best way. So these two batteries are all setted. Now I keep this, bag is there, so it will create some sponge, or you can say softness for the battery. Yeah, connected. Now I have to place the other three batteries. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you having any comments and any suggestions, please give me. Even I also, in last my previous video, I also ask you, give some location and address, if some, because I want to I want to uh, add some guards for my scooty. But unfortunately still I did not got any communications. Anyway, that also I'll do very soon as I got some links. So thank you. So almost my battery connection is finished. You can see it is very easy. So first I'm connected the last positive, and now I'm connecting the in between. So it is, so it's 60-volt battery. Now it's almost I finished the connections. Okay, yeah, it's done. It looks like new. Anyway, so I had placed the battery holder also. Now I am, tightening it so that it keep the batteries good positions. Now it's done. Now I have to put the cover, and I have to again tighten the four bolts, the positions, four positions. Yep. So so guys, be with us, and thank you for your time. Okay, subscribe, and let us know what video you want to get from me. So accordingly, I will try to make it happen for you. So now switch on the, and it's showing. So you can see almost 2916 kilometers I gone. It's okay, no problem. All the